Morning. Monday morning? Yeah. It's quite cold outside. So let's start fixing something. Yeah. We have a job. They try to fix this and they say they can't fix it. Yeah. When I say they, I say like my colleagues, probably from the other shop. This is a big sticker. So probably from the other shop they send this Windows 10 Office Wi-Fi not working. Yeah. This is a £80 laptop. Looks like it's a cash converter job. So let's try and fix it. Let's see what can be wrong. This is £80 the laptop. It's you can't charge. It's no way how you can charge. So this they are selling for 80. So we are fixing for a low price. So it's no way how you can charge. We can charge more like £10 or 15, something like that. So this should be quick. Yeah, a quick fix. Will not be easy because probably they try to reinstall the Windows, the drivers. So it's not like any job. It's like a job which is coming from a computer shop where they try to fix it. For a normal customer, yeah, depends of the problem. If it's a driver, probably it can be like 10, 15. If it's a car, probably like 40. But this is not for a customer. So we do have the Wi-Fi sign here. You can see. You can't see. Sorry. Yeah. So we have the Wi-Fi sign. I haven't powered up. I don't know nothing about this laptop. Just now I powered up the laptop. I see it in the morning. So look at the signal. Yeah. So actually we have our network and we have two more with no signal. But we are on a shopping center and there should be like 10-15 networks. Yeah. So what do we have here? We have a working Wi-Fi card with no signal. Can be a driver. Can maybe. I don't know. But I'm the hardware guy, yeah, so I'm not fixing the things. Having as a base the software, yeah. I'm a hardware guy, so I will go there and I will check the signal way, because you have two ways. You have two connectors. You have a main connector and an auxiliary one. In some laptops, they use only one connector, only the main, but actually the software is switching on the second antenna where is nothing plugged in. Hopefully that will be the case. Yeah, so the Wi-Fi router, we have like one bar. The Wi-Fi router is here, it's 1 meter. It's not even 1 meter, it's under 1 meter. And we have no signal. So it's not even point trying to do a software thing. I was thinking, maybe there is some BIOS error, maybe some driver, but it's not. Let's see. Let's check the hardware. And I found like the wrong driver can switch can be the wrong driver can switch the antenna. So probably has only one antenna, but we'll see. Let's open this. Yeah, it's two ways to fix this. Two ways. Yeah, one, to go on the manufacturer website and download the original driver. Probably they didn't do it because they are proper lazy. They are using that software. What is called driver pack solution. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, that's how you can go wrong. Yeah, so they are using that software. So I can go on the manufacturer website and download the driver, but that will be the long way. Actually, the short way is just to swap the antenna. Yeah, so let's try. Let's see. They are even too lazy to open the laptop and swap the Wi-Fi antenna. That's why they are sending these jobs here. Do we have any screw here? Yeah, we do have. This is a HP stream, I think. HP model 11-R050SA. Yeah, HP stream, yeah. Yeah, that's the one. That's the model. Hopefully here are not the screws. We'll see. This is some cheap, you know, we have so many customers coming with these laptops. They have like 32 gig of hard drive, and all is getting full, you know. Even if you don't install anything, the Windows at some point, it will reach that, it will fill up that 32 gig. Okay, probably we have screws. Yeah, we do have. Laptop is still on. Why this is on? Shut down. Be careful when you leave the... I think, yeah, you have the keyboard connection and the touchpad connection. It's one more screw? No, it's not. It's only plastic clips. Yeah. Okay, be careful now. Because you have those connections, the touchpad and the keyboard. And we have one more. My luck is I didn't break it from the power button and was here. Yeah. Yeah, that's my fault. Oh. So like how I said, yeah, you have there only one Wi-Fi connection here. Let me switch on the microscope 1 second. Yeah, you can see. So that's the Wi-Fi card, and most likely, yeah, probably 100%, I'm sure, it's a driver issue. So I'll just swap the Wi-Fi antenna here. Okay, that's all what you have to do. Well, let's check now. Plug the power button back. Touchpad. Let's check now. Okay, so we do have the Wi-Fi sign. Yeah, so let's go and check the signals. Full signal. Yeah, you can see. Should be more networks. Yeah, are more. But look, full signal. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, it's no problems anymore. Let's connect. Connect. Now you got my Wi-Fi password. It's easy when you work with the PlayStation, like Xbox, to have like a easy password so you can connect straight away. So we have full signal. Yeah, so that's the way how you fix a Wi-Fi issue. Or you can go and download the original driver. But I don't know, even if you download the original driver, if you restore the Windows or something like that, on a device which is not the original Windows like this, you probably still have problems. Yeah, so you have two ways to fix this fault. I think, I didn't try with the driver, but I think that's how you can fix it by software, I think. Not sure, but most likely. Touchpad is working, keyboard is working. Yeah. So everything is working fine. Power button is working, yeah. Okay. So I'll stop this video now. It's just a short video for the people they have issue with the Wi-Fi. And see you on the next one. We have so many jobs today. Okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. And if you find the video helpful. And see you on the next one, yeah? Bye.